Hey, so I was thinking, since we're all in quarantine, is let's come up with something as makers that can be helpful for the kids. So I wanted to just use what I had, and I had this idea of something that I had made quite a few years ago, probably about 10 years ago. So it's called a nickel hockey board, and I can only, this is the thing, is obviously we can't go anywhere, so I'm just using what I have. So this is some leftover pickets for a stairs that we did, and it's pre-stained, pre-lacquered, so that is a little easy. And then we have some leftover flooring, so I'm going to use this for the base of the board. And I don't suggest you tearing up any of the floor in your house to try to do this, but this is extra. So we're gonna see if we can improve an old design. All right, so this is the board. This is the original one that I made about 10 years ago. And this was just some scrap stuff, and we were off grid, and we didn't have a lot of finances to be able to make Christmas special. So I went into the shop and I used what I had, and we had some extra. Was given the flooring, and I had some of this just Doug fir laying around. So this is what the hockey board actually looks like. And so you lay this across two opponents' laps, and you have little hockey pucks that I made out of stir sticks, and you put a nickel in there, and then you just start battling it out. And we kind of had a little championship with the family, and it was really a lot of fun. And it kind of came back to me, this whole quarantine thing would be really good as families are stuck together, that they would have something that would be something fun like this. So we're going to try to make a newer design. We have some different material, but it's basically the same idea. We're going to make this new one a little bit bigger than this one. So we're going to call this the Junior, and then we're going to make the championship series. So here we go. to the trails. Oh.